Okay guys, the movement is exhausted. All right, I don't know if you can see what I am seeing. All right, okay, back to my introduction. This is the new video, and on this video gonna be looking into NASDAQ 100. All right guys, by looking at the chart you can see that the movement is exhausted. We've been having a strong bullish move, like a very strong bullish, which I told you guys about it. Remember, back in January, I entered in during CPI, and I'm still holding my position even today. I'm sure I'm sitting at 400 something K right now. All right, like I did tell you guys about it, that this is what's gonna happen, and the movement now, it is exhausted. It needs to decline so that it collects enough momentum so that we can have the new all-time high, because that's what we are looking for, new all-time high. All right. So why do I say the movement is exhausted? Look at this, here and here. Remember us, then your boy is strategist. What we do. All right. Then we have that double bottom there. Then all right, what we do, we cut this structure in half. If you know us, then no brainers. We cut the structure in half. Now what you do is just duplicate it, clone it. This is what's so perfect, super perfect, God's perfection. All right, so this is what happened. We did cut the structure in half. Let's color this and color this one. Okay, yeah, we can dim him, make it a bit darker. Okay, so this is what happened. You cut the structure in half, and this is what you have. Like I did say this back in Jan, like ever since I started like doing my YouTube, of being telling you guys about this type of structure, because I've seen it. All right, like by putting up levels, you can tell that this is where the structure began. From at this angle, the structure began to fall. It never looked back, and from here, as you can see, almost the same size. All right, from here the market started going up crazy nuts. Like it never looked back. Like by looking back, I mean, like it didn't have, we see, like here we have that a beautiful decline, which is giving us a higher low. All right, these ones are not so, like they're not as like this one. All right, so these ones are just like a little peak into the downside and then keep on going up. These ones are solid higher lows. All right, even this one is a solid higher low. All right, same thing goes with this side. It dropped like crazy, and then from somewhere here started giving us those lower highs. All right, but it's been dropping dead. All right, so that's this kind of thing that's happening here, and I did tell you guys that this is what's gonna happen, and it has happened. So as of right now, what we expect the market to do is to drop. Like it does not have chance but to drop. You can put a horizontal line here. All right, and maybe put another here, because it has to drop like crazy. But I did tell you guys, for this year, NASDAQ 100 is gonna be going bullish. From the beginning of the year, I did tell you guys that we're gonna be going bullish for the entire year. All right, just look. This December, okay, this January. Since January, the market has been going bullish. Since, all right, and I did tell you guys that. All right, so see, put a level exactly where the market started to decline. So currently. All right, so what's expected without indulging deep into analysis? Like you can tell that the market is gonna go and retest here. It might even peak outside a little bit and come back. All right, and they may form here for a while and then end up breaking. This is what might happen to the market, guys. Like I guarantee you, there's a very high chance that this structure is gonna take place. I can bet my life on it. There's a very, I'm not saying of absolutely certainty, all right, but I'm telling you there's a very high chance, about 98% chance, that the structure might give something like this. Not accurately like perfect like this, but something like this. It might drop up until here, and then from here it might have a little bit of a struggle going up and then just pick up straight just like that. That's what might happen, because I've seen this happen before. Remember what happens in the market, it's all repetition. Past data like give us the new data. That's what happens. The market never, yeah, you like, it does change a bit, but the would never change. All right, so that might happen. Something like that might take place. All right, so now let's go into analysis and be sure. We need certainty now. All right, so just gonna delete these guys. Okay, so we have our main levels. All right, so let's see on 4 hour what do we have. All right, as you can see, it's been a beautiful upward structure, so beautiful, guys. All right, like, can put a rectangle here. See from here, hence I say the market might then from here drop. Okay, hence I say that it might give us something like this, all right, which is ideal. All right, but again, we need to take in place that the market hasn't broken any lows as of yet, and for as long as our lows are not broken, it means there's a very high chance that the market will keep on going up. All right, so what might happen if it and then it breaks? It might go back inside this structure, all right, and then maybe play for a moment and then continue going up. All right, it might just do that, guys. All right, because remember, this is the market and this is NASDAQ100, and we know NASDAQ100 for always going super bullish. All right, but this week, according to what I saw, I didn't go deep into the fundamentals. All right, but for the first 3 days or 2 days, we don't have powerful fundamentals. So meaning for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I didn't check for Thursday and Friday. So far, we don't have those powerful fundamentals for the US markets. All right, so it might drop. It might, like, the chances of it dropping are very high than the chances of it going up. But remember, this is the market. Like, either direction can take place at any given time. All right, but what we are looking for this coming week, we are sensing a very powerful decline from NASDAQ100. All right, I'm not gonna lie to you, I am positive that it might decline, and I'm still holding my bullish position, which I'm never gonna go out anytime soon. All right, I told you guys I'm gonna be holding that position for the rest of the year, because I'm still certain that the market's gonna go bullish and give us an all-time high. All right, and until it does that, I'm not going out of my position. All right, so this small decline, as it declines up until here, that's for it to collect enough momentum, which it might take this entire week and some bits of that other week, and then just pick up like that. All right, but for this coming week, I'm sensing a very strong decline, guys. So if you learned anything from this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I'd like to have on this channel.